Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's your girl Robin and we're back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this gorgeous melt in style with hair that was sent to me by Yolissa Hair. Thank you Yolissa Hair for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so hey guys, I already went ahead and plucked the unit, bleached the unit. I blow dried it. I'm sorry, I'm chewing gum. I went ahead and blow dried the hair and I pressed it into place with my new hot comb. My other hot comb, I had an accident with it. Like a thing happened. If I have a picture, I'll insert it. Anyways, yes, I'm gonna be installing this wig. I'm gonna do some side curls, but I'm right now trying to fit the wig onto my head. I put a deep side part in it, girl. What it's giving, I don't know. We're gonna have to see. But what was I gonna tell y'all? Oh, I'm gonna be installing it a little bit different today because it is so small on my head, and for the fact that a lot of the lace was already pre-cut off of the wig. I don't think I'm gonna be doing my sections. I think I'm gonna glue down the perimeter of my head, put the whole wig on, and then go back in and add more glue if we need to. I think I'm gonna just do it that way. But I just wanted to explain to you guys what I was doing because I know that it's not the normal way that I go about doing it. So we're gonna get straight into the video, guys.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, don't waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, what you need, don't waste your time with me. You could have all the space, more than you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, don't waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time.
Excuse me, what was actually said?
Don't waste your time with me. You can have all the space, more than you need. There's no pressure. If you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang on it out of range. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing. If you're gonna waste your time, don't waste your time with me. You can have all the space, more than you need.
I be so sticky, you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so cold myself, when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, so when you around me, treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts, I can't keep no City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you mishandle me. Used to be not violent till you ambush me. Now I'm not so violent with you. Now I'm not your solid truth. That means no permission. Missionary getting born in fish positions. Hard to say your song, you'll never listen. No, no. Popping up, baby. Heavy reminiscing. Heavy on the missing. You wish it was everything what it was. Popping up, baby. No mistake, no lying for us. No mistake, no finding us. Popping up, baby. If you wonder if I hate you, city of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, city of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wonder if I hate you, city of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, city of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this.
Hey, we got a good thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again, but is that a good thing? 'Cause girl, I can't be your man. No man, I know it's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing, or is it just a one night stand? Well then, let me see you get high and go low. Now girl, what you
All right, you guys, this is the completed look. This is what we came up with. This hair is so freaking cute. I can't show you guys the whole thing, but I will try to insert some clips if I remember of like the full length of the hair. It is 24 inches and it is true to length. Guys, this hair is really, really pretty. Like, Yolissa Hair, you might be another one of them ones. I didn't know y'all was another one of them ones. But I am just so impressed with how the lace looks. I'm impressed with the quality of the hair. Everything was a 10 out of 10 for me with this hair. The only thing that I would say is that this wig was not big head friendly at all. So I had to cut the frontal away from where the tracks are and the actual cap of the wig is to be able to maneuver it and allow it to be big enough to fit on my head. But y'all, it still came out really cute. I just had to kind of manipulate it. So keep that in mind if you do have a big head like me and you're looking to buy a wig from Yolissa Hair. I do believe that this was a medium-sized cap, but it just ran kind of small, so I had to do a little bit of customization to be able to make it fit on my head. But all in all, guys, I think this wig is a bomb wig. It is 180% density, but it's pretty full. Like, I went ahead and blow dried this wig after I washed it, and I didn't straighten it. I just went through and curled it, so that left a good amount of body in the hair, and it's giving body yaddy yaddy to me, guys. Tomorrow's New Year's Eve and I have to work on New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, but your girl still wanted to look cute, so I had to come through with the install. So you guys, let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to save some money shopping with Yolissa Hair, I will have my coupon code on the screen and in the description box, but let me know what you guys think about this look. And yes, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.